So you may be one of those out there asking yourself, Shiba Inu, will it survive this latest bad crypto market scenario thing playing out? Some really technical terms there. Here's the thing. Will Shiba Inu survive right now? What is going on in the overall crypto market? The short answer is you bet you it will. SHIB is too big to fail right now. Quite frankly, it is right this second. $4.7 billion market cap has fallen a little bit, but golly gee, everything else has, right? But here's why I wanted to make this video for the Clear Cryptos channel. By the way, my name is Austin Hilton. I make content myself for my own channel, but I also make content for the Clear channel. Will it survive? I think that's a question that if you're cognizant of the fact of a large percentage of who owns Shiba Inu, it's brand new investors into crypto. I think they're asking themselves this question. And if you're one of those, that's cool. I get it, because that's part of the vision and statement of Clear Cryptos, is that they want to help educate people and help people understand more about crypto and all the different parts around it. So will Shiba Inu survive? Yes, it will survive this scenario playing out right now in the overall crypto market. Okay. There's nothing fundamentally changed, wrong, that is bad going on with Shiba Inu. It is moving down right now in price because the overall market is moving down in price. By the way, it has a massive liquidity pull behind it, is massive market capitalization. By the way, volume is up 71%. I'm going to give you a little sneak peek into that. That's because there's a lot of people buying and adding to their positions because they love this low cost scenario. Just a little food for thought, not investing advice. Do what's right for you. Okay. Will Shiba Inu survive? The short answer is yes, absolutely. You're talking about a massive project, million plus holders, massive SHIB army behind it, vocal advocates every single day. I consider myself to be one of those. I've been covering Shiba Inu on YouTube since May of 2021. Yep. That's crazy if you think about that. Wow. It's a lot of this gray hair right here because of that. But it will survive. Tremendous amount of ecosystem development going on. Shibarium layer 2 blockchain on the way coming. Metaverse active development coming. Upgrades to their Shiba swap, coming. Future looks bright. Right now, crypto doesn't look hugely bright. This is the kind of the dark before the, what does it say? It's always darkest before it's light. And that's a saying, right? I think so. Anyway, you get my point. But yes, Shiba Inu will survive. So if you're worried about it, okay, don't be. But if you feel like you need to exit stage left, that's your, if that's what's right for you, my best to you. But I'm not leaving. I'm staying here. I believe in this long term, and I believe that crypto and SHIB along with it will get bigger and better and badder in a good way. Badder in a good way. All right, I'll see you. Have a good one. Bye.